Well, ever started off your morning, come out to your car and you got a flat tire, or just come out and your car won't start in the morning? You look around and it's still dark outside and it's 10 after 7 and nobody's open. Well, that's not true. Harris Oceanside GM, the king is here. If you've got an early morning problem with your car, I'm here at 6:30 in the morning. My technicians are here by 7:30. I can still get you to work on time. Don't wait for everybody else to open up. Come and see the king, because I'm here to look after you, and I can't wait to see you today. 250-248-8383. I hope to see you soon.